Hello, folks. Thank you for joining today's how-to webinar. Today, we're going to be reviewing how to configure and deploy custom applications with Action1. My name is Bill Bussler, and we'll be walking through a very quick demonstration of how to configure applications within the Action1 environment. When you first log into Action1, this is the dashboard you'll land on. There'll be a navigation screen over on your left-hand side where you can go down to our software repository and see all of our applications. All the ones that say built-in are the ones that come with Action1. Any custom ones would be ones that have been added in by you, the customer. How do we add new applications into Action1? Very straightforward to do. We simply click on Add to Repository. We then give our new application a name. I'm actually going to use an application that one of my customers asked for. It's called Airtame, and it's a video sharing application. And what it allows us to do is to share, of course, videos. So we're going to go ahead and add a new version. So what you have to do is give it a name, vendor, and description. You define whether it's for Windows or for Mac, and you define the scope of the application. And then we go to our versioning information, where we can then define our version 4.13.1. And we'll go ahead and make it today's date. And we have to be able to identify our application. That's this field here. We'll click on Save. And now we're able to upload our MSI to the platform. So we'll click on Installation. And this is where we can load our MSI or exe file. Very straightforward to do this. You simply click on Upload and upload the app you wish. There's our Airtame application. So I'm going to download this or upload this, excuse me, up into our cloud. And it's now going to be available for us to deploy out to customers. With MSIs, we automatically know how to install MSIs. If it's an exe, you will have to give us some information about how to install that application, whatever switches are needed to install silently. As long as we can install anything silently, we should be good to go. All right, so I'm going to save on this right here, and this will go ahead and create our Airtame application to get it installed. Once it's saved, I can then go to my software repository again. I can go search for my app and find it very quickly, and then I can go and deploy it out to my environment. So deploying our new application, I simply grab the application, click on deploy, it'll grab my application. Next is identify my endpoints. I am going to point it to one of my test endpoints that I utilize. So this will be my patch host 1, where I will then test this update. So I'm going to click on next steps. I'm going to schedule to run this right now, and we'll go ahead and get this process started. From here, we can watch the activities of the installation itself. So I am going to pause this for a minute because I only have about another 30 seconds or so for this video to run. But from here, I will bring it back up once we're done with our update. Okay, and we finished our install. So you can see I downloaded the installation package, ran the installer program. I did get a warning that it was not digitally signed by the manufacturer. It's a small company, so not too surprising there. But we can see that it is installed, and it did install with one warning. Now, to confirm that it actually did go and get installed, I can go to my endpoints and go find my patch host 1 and go look at my installed software, and I should see an Airtame application installed 4.13.1. That is the version we tried to install, and it was successfully installed. So that is the process for installing applications. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.